right, there we go. Sunlight, stacked cars, maybe a switch lane. There it is. He saw it, though. Good job. All right, so one of the things here is we have a stacked line of cars right away. Okay, we got a stacked line of cars in both lanes even, and our lane is nice and smooth. Another thing that we have to worry about here is we have the sun wanting to peek out. We have also left turners here, and this is actually an intersection right here. And then we're going to keep drawing all over the screen because there's hazards galore. Now, the only thing that I'm going to take that back. Not the only thing, but one of the things that I really like about what's happening here with this motorcycle rider, he's going nice and smooth, not going super fast. We're just moving along, and we're prepped and ready. So he's actually in orange stage. He's doing a great job. And I'm going to say he. I don't know if it's a he or she, but the rider is doing a great job prepping for this situation. You see how he positioned himself for safety, or the rider themselves for safety? I don't know. So we got lane position 1, 2, and 3. Originally, we're like right here, and now we're right here. So just that little bit was really good because it's going to help prep for anything else coming up. You notice how he modulated. I keep saying he, I'm just going to say he modulated his speed for this situation. So we're going to go back just a little bit, and you're going to notice we're catching up to this the car driver with the arrow right there. We're actually catching up, and we're getting closer and closer and closer to the blind spot. And then all of a sudden, just a simple roll off the throttle and made it to where he stayed behind the vehicle just in case that vehicle swerved left. Almost like you're staying staggered with cars, just like you would if you're with another motorcycle. Just watch. Now roll off. Very good. Prepped and ready. Now, there's many factors. Okay, we got that sun, like I said. We have the merging issue. We had that intersection, so we were already prepped and ready, and he was situationally aware to see that, hey, you know, I'm getting close to this vehicle right here. I see that they're starting to creep over the slash lines, and now I was getting closer to the blind spot. Let's go ahead and roll off the throttle, so I'm just not in an area that is going to be blind to the driver for their vision, and if they move over, it's not going to be affecting me too much because they just kind of scooted over, and I was staggered. So that's the whole point of orange stage, and all he had to do was roll off the throttle a little bit. He should have gotten a rock form mount. That's perfectly fine, though. Go ahead and keep your thing. But the thing is, he was able to get himself out of that situation, the blind spot situation, remove that factor. Did a great job. Did a great job. Angie, I don't know if I'll do that. I don't know.
Punch their window. Punch their.
No, you don't do that. Don't punch windows. Don't punch windows.